29 forecast.
Autumn color coming on strong. First of all, there is the view as seen from Carter Mountain as we look off to the north and west. And yeah, sun going down, setting now at 6:32. We have just over 11 hours of daylight, and of course that continues to shrink. Here's a nice shot up on the Blue Ridge Parkway taken by Janet Braithwaite. And again, you can see that high color, almost peak conditions at the higher elevations of the Blue Ridge Parkway, and of course out to the west, kind of peaking out. Here's a nice shot from Conrad Michaels. This is up at Bald Mountain on the Jeep Trail there, and you can look out and see the color certainly unfolding. Let's talk about our temperatures. And again, sun going down now. 52 is the current reading at the airport. This morning started at 35. Made it up to a high this afternoon of around 56 degrees. Winds are still busy, and we'll have those winds pick up again tomorrow. We've got 43 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. You started the morning at 32. Afternoon high touched 50. So many locations struggled to hit 50 this afternoon. We're 52 at the airport, 48 there in Palmyra, 44 in Louisa, 50 in Madison, 45 in Harrisonburg, and 43 currently in Stanton. So tonight we're looking at our coldest overnight so far of the autumn season. Widespread freezing conditions. A freeze warning is in effect for Central Virginia, and it constitutes basically the ending of the growing season once we have that in a widespread fashion. Certainly if you have any house plants or something you want to bring indoors, do so. And of course, responsible pet owners, bring your pets indoors. Temperatures here for the overnight then, upper 20s and low 30s in many locations. Tomorrow, temperatures similar to today. Lots of middle 50s across Central Virginia, around 50 in the Shenandoah Valley. It'll be a bit breezy from time to time, and we'll have a few spillover clouds working in from the west. So we've got more cold mornings for Thursday morning, Friday morning as well. Those daytime highs, still below average, do begin to slowly edge up by the end of the week. Now, as we get into the weekend, we'll turn a bit more milder. But in the meantime, it's all about the cold conditions. There's a look at the satellite radar combination. We've had these spillover clouds from a big storm up across the Great Lakes. Some of this moisture will actually get wrung out across the higher terrain out to the west as snow showers. And again, those higher ridge tops most susceptible to that. But you can see that broad counterclockwise circulation around a big area of low pressure just spinning across the Great Lakes, ushering in the colder temperatures, rain and snow showers and the like. And we're certainly under the influence of that as well. You see those temperatures in the 40s right now, mountains held in the 30s throughout much of the day. So the upper air pattern has this trough or a cold pocket of air that just slowly edges northbound as we get into the late week. By this weekend, temperatures will be at or just above 70, so it turns a little bit milder here as we move into the weekend. In the meantime, plenty cold tomorrow morning, frost freeze conditions 20s and 30s. Afternoon highs tomorrow similar to today. We'll have some of those spillover clouds, low and mid 50s. We'll start plenty cold early Thursday morning, 20s and 30s, and Thursday afternoon, mid 50s to near 60. Tonight then, widespread freezing conditions, 20s and 30s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Those cold nights and cool days, the pattern will continue, although numbers do begin to edge up as we move closer toward the weekend at or above 70 and a dry period.
All right. Thank you so much, Eric.